Hi guys, I hope you had a great weekend. Well, today we're going to be solving equations with variables on both sides of the equation. We're also going to learn how to use Desmos to graph the equations and help us get an answer. All right, so let's dive right into our lesson. Let's look at problem number 1. We have 6x plus 7 equals 13 plus 7x. This first part of the equation is a linear equation, and this second part of the equation is also a linear equation. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to be using Desmos calculator, and we're going to use this calculator just in case you don't have your school calculator. I'm going to embed this into your assignment so that you can use it. What you're going to do is you're going to type in the first part of the equation, 6x plus 7 in the first slot, and 13 plus 7x in the second slot. So once you have typed in your equations into the calculator is going to graph your two lines. These two lines are going to intersect. That means they're going to cross. And what you want to do is you want to touch the point where they cross, where they intersect. This point here happens to be -6, -29. So looking back at our equation, 6x plus 7 equals 13 plus 7x. We found that if we graphed these two lines, the lines crossed at -6, -29. And we know that -6 is x, -29 is y. So our answer for x is equal to -6. So let's do another problem. We're going to do 13 minus 4x equals 1 minus x. You're going to follow the steps. Step number 1, type the equations in the right place, and it's going to graph it for you. Then you're going to touch one of the lines and touch the point where the lines cross or they intersect. So finding x, solving for x, 13 minus 4x equals 1 minus x. We graphed the lines and we saw that the lines crossed at 4, -3. And we know that the x is 4 and the y is -3. So the answer to this equation is x equals 4. Okay, so here are some reminders. Number 1, watch this video at least twice. Number 2, take notes while you watch the video. And number 3, come back to the video if you need to. Okay, so this concludes today's lesson. But before you run off and play, make sure that you finish today's warm-up, today's daily assignment, and homework, and that you turn them in. Until next time, guys, stay safe.